Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this happy little box using nothing but hand tools. So, a while ago I saw a video where this guy made a happy little box without using any power tools. He used this interesting technique where you just use a X-Acto knife like this to score the wood, and then you just hit it with your fist to make it come apart. So I figured I'd try to copy that in this video and make my own happy little box. So I figure we'll get started. So I think I want to clean up this end here first to get a nice square edge, because this is some used lumber. So just go like this. And then it's very important to score both sides, because he said it'll tear out if you don't. So I think I'll go a step further and do it on the edges too. Alright, now for end pieces like this, well, we could try just hitting it with my fist, but I don't think that's going to work. I think I'm going to need a hammer for this, so I'll try it with my fist. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, it's just not happening. What the fuck? Sorry, I need to put on my safety gear. Safety first, right? My God, this is ridiculous. You know what? I think we're just making it too difficult. Why not just, like, use a saw like a normal person? Alright, now I want this box to go together something like this. Now to join the corners, I'm going to be using rabbits. And in the video, Matthias showed this very interesting way where you just cut out rebates from a magazine and then you just hammer them. But, you know, after that first technique, I'm a little bit skeptical of that. But I guess we'll give it a shot. I'm not really sure what makes rebate special, because it's just paper, right? So I'm going to use this old newspaper. So let's see, it goes together something like this. It goes on there like that. It's on there like so. And this goes on top of here. Let's make sure it's all aligned. And then I think you just hit it with the hammer, right? Oh, actually, you know what? I'm going to use a scrap piece of wood so I don't dent this wood here. And what do you know? It didn't fucking work. Well, she ain't pretty, but looks like a rabbit to me. Now I think I'm going to do the rest of these on the table saw, but let's keep that a secret. Alright, I don't know exactly why I'm going to try this again, but I'm going to try it for the bottom rabbit too, I guess. Alright, close enough. Alright, come on. Please. Fingers crossed. Give me good luck. Alright. Oh, yes. Wait a minute. Oh my god, it actually worked. Let me just pick up the piece that fell on the ground here. I can put this back together. Then, I guess these are used up rabbits. And then, this should just drop it. Oh my god. And look, it's actually flush. Well, for the most part. Now I guess we just gotta glue it up and we'll have ourselves a happy little box. And if we put this like this, that like that. Pop this bad boy down in y'all. That's always a good idea to weigh it down with the drill, just in case. Alright, and it's the next day, so we can take the drill off. Unclamp it. And here we have a happy little box. Alright, so there you have it, everyone. One happy little box made with nothing but hand tools. Join me next time when I make another video. Goodbye, everyone. I'll see you later.